All right, everybody, welcome back. We are on level 2 of lesson 19. All right, so let's see what we got. It says this level follows a video that you may have watched with your class. If you missed the video, you can watch it in the help and tips tab of this level. That is right here. So if you click on that, we have the video, we have more information, we have the counter pattern, multi-frame animations, all sorts of helpful information for you to use. That's why it's there. All right. So velocity X. One way to move sprites in Game Lab is with the counter pattern. For example, sprite.x gets sprite.x plus 1 moves the sprite by 1 pixel each frame of the draw loop. This pattern is so common that sprites have a velocity x property that does this for you. So do this. Use the new velocity x block to make the sprite move. You know what I have to do first? I have to restart because I've already done this one. So, all right, we'll do that real quick. Fabulous. Okay, so try this again. Use the new velocity X block to make the sprite move. Add the new movement block outside of the draw loop, not inside. So this is interesting. Drag a velocity X block directly below where your sprite is created. And if you need or want, you can click the show me where, and it will show you. Add it right here between lines 3 and 4. All right. So make sure to replace sprite with fish. So the block says fish.velocityx. Assign the velocity a value of 1. The block should now say fish.velocityx gets 1. Run the code. What happens? Give the velocity a different value and run the code again. What's changing? All right, so let's run it. We have a fish that is stuck. So let's fix that. Sprite.velocityx, and it did say to put it between lines 3 and 4, so we'll put it there. Rename it to fish and 1. So that means it's going to move at 1 pixel per frame. Okay, yeah, per frame. Okay, so reset and run. There it goes. So we're going to reset it again. And now instead of 1, we're going to make it go 5. So that should be 5 pixels per frame. Run. There we go. It is indeed swimming faster. Beautiful. All right, that's all we had to do. You know, easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, so we're going to click finish, and I will see you on level 3. Here we go.